if you want to learn how you can use remote events in Roblox, make sure to stick around to the end and watch the tutorial all the way through to become a better Roblox developer. And if you do enjoy the video, please make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing. Hi guys, Expert Scripter here, back again with another video. And in today's tutorial, what we're going to be doing is using remote events to prevent your game from being exploited and to let players under the age of 13 to join your game and play your games. So basically what this is client to server communication or server to client communication, which basically prevents exploiters from adding stuff to your game or doing anything bad in your game. And what this does is it listens out for the script that's being called and by which player, just so it can process it and show it on all client screens. So we're going to be using a port. We're going to be instancing a port, and what we're going to do is we're going to first select this one, insert port FE. So you can see I've got a screen GUI, a text button, and another text button. We've got a non-FE text button, and we've got an FE text button. So yeah, that's what basically remote event is. It just listens out for a script, and if it recognizes the script, it'll go through with it and show it on all clients screen. If not, then it's not going to show it on all client screen, it's going to show it on the exploiter screen. So in here we need a local script, and in the replicate storage we need a remote event. I'm just going to call this event just for quickness. And what we're going to do is we're going to do script the parent, the mouse button one click colon connect function. Okay, so this is going to basically execute whatever's in this function when the player clicks the button, clicks this button here, the FE one. So what we're going to do is we're going to do game replicate storage dot event fire server, because we're showing all players this, and we're going to type FE port. This is just an argument which we're passing over to the server script, which we're going to make right now. This is just an argument which we're passing over, and then this is a string. So this is going to be the name of the port in the workspace. So what we're going to do is now we're going to do game.replicate storage.event. We're going to do on server event colon connect function, and then in here what we're going to have is we're going to have the player parameter. That's always coming first because Roblox implemented this, and this is just a set kind of thing. That's always going to be a first argument. And then what we're going to put in here, you can put anything you want which is going to represent this string. So it's kind of like a variable across two scripts. So it would really look like this: local name equals FE port, but it's just two scripts communicating together. So we're going to do local port equals instance.new port. 1 second guys. And we're going to do port.parent equals workspace, and then we're going to do port.name equals name, and this is this variable that we're referencing here, which is actually this string in the local script. So if we go ahead and test this out right now, you should see that when I click this, it should show on both client and server side. So this will show on any client screen. So I've clicked the button. I'm going to change it from the client to the server. The port should have appeared in the workspace named FE port. Okay, so that's brilliant. That means our game has picked up this and noticed, it's recognized it, and it's basically said this is not an exploit, go through with the command. So what about if we insert a non-FE port not using events? So we're going to do a local script in here as well, and we're going to just write another function, script parent dot mouse button one click colon connect function. And what we're going to do in here, we're going to do local port equals instance.new port, and we're going to parent the port to workspace. Oh, that is not right. And we're going to do port.name equals non-FE port. Okay, so basically now when we click this button, we expect it to only be visible on our screen, not the server screen. So let's take a look. Okay, so I'm going to click this button here first. Okay, there's a port. Nice. I'm an exploiter, I've just put in this port. Yeah, Okay, so now if I switch to the server, I should not be able to see this port. That means the game is prevented from exploits, and we're using client to server communication by doing this. Look in the workspace, nothing there. If I go back to my client and look in the workspace, the non-FE port is here for me. Okay, so now I'm going to delete that port and insert the FE port again. You can see it's there as an FE port on my client and also on the server when I click it, because it didn't refresh there. Okay, so you can see the FE port is also there, but the non-FE port will never appear on the server when you're using remote events and when filtering enabled is on. So guys, if you did enjoy this tutorial, please leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more tutorials like this. And if you don't understand anything what I've said in this video, anything about remote events, I am going to be leaving a link to the wiki on remote events, but please feel free to ask any questions about events in the comment section, and I'll be happy to help anyone out. So yeah, if you did enjoy the tutorial, I'm also going to leave the link in the description to this game just to help you guys out. So yeah, thanks for watching the video and see you next time.